Hi everyone. Today we'll see how to create a slicer pop-out window using bookmarks in Power BI. By this, you can provide a more user-friendly and interactive experience for your business stakeholders or audience. This will be also useful when there are more visuals and you don't have enough space in the page to add the slicers. Now we'll design the pop-out window. Go to Home, add a text box, bring it to the corner, customize the width based on your need. Now add a slicer. We'll add here to it. We'll make this as drop down. Place it on top of the text box we created. We'll customize this thing. We'll change the background of the values. We'll add a shadow tool. Now copy this here slicer and paste it as many times as the number of slicers you want to have. I'll remove here and I'll add one to it. Here I'll add, you can add all your dimensions here. I'll add product, country and segment. Now we'll add a clear slicer button also. For that, go to insert, click on buttons, click on clear all slicers. Now select all the slicers so that we'll have same vertical space between them. After selecting, go to format, click on align, then select distribute vertically. Now the vertical space between all the slicers are same. Our filter pane is ready. Now we'll add an image which will be used to open and close this filter pane. Go to insert, click on image. You can download this image from any web browser. Copy this and paste it once more and place this in this corner. Go to view, click on selection and rename these two images. I'll say this as open and this as close. Now select all these things and create a group so that we can easily create a bookmark. Right click, click on group. We'll rename this thing. I'll say it as filter open. Now click on bookmarks, add a bookmark. Click on these three dots and uncheck this data and click on selected visuals. Now select these two visuals and click on update. I'll name it as open. Sorry, close. Now add another bookmark and click on update. Name this as open. Now select this image, turn on the action, set the type as bookmark, set close. Turn on the tooltip and say click here to close the bookmark and set this image. That is it. Now you have created a slicer pop-out window using bookmark. Thanks for watching.